there, and welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your one-stop channel for all things travel and adventure. We're here to inspire and guide you through the world's most exciting destinations, offering insider tips, must-see highlights, and everything in between. From hidden gems to popular hotspots, we've got you covered. So pack your bags, buckle up, and let's hit the road. Today, we're taking you on a romantic journey through some of the most picturesque road trip destinations in the USA. Our first destination is the Pacific Coast Highway, a breathtaking strip of road in sunny California. Unfurling like a ribbon of asphalt, it hugs the rugged cliffs and pristine beaches of the Golden State. This iconic route is a love letter to the American West, a testament to Mother Nature's artistry, and a romantic road trip destination par excellence. As you journey along the Pacific Coast Highway, savor the breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean's azure expanse. Discover intimate beach spots hidden from the world, where you can share picnics and watch the sun melt into the horizon. Venture into the verdant vineyards that dot the route and indulge in wine-tasting experiences that are as exquisite as they are romantic. Luxuriate in the many high-end resorts that offer private villas, world-class spas, and gourmet dining, the perfect settings for love to bloom. With its stunning views and intimate settings, the Pacific Coast Highway is a road trip that's sure to spark romance. Next up is the Blue Ridge Parkway, a scenic drive through the heart of Virginia. Like a ribbon winding through the Appalachian Highlands, this route offers an intimate experience with nature's grandeur. This parkway is a haven for lovebirds, offering secluded nature spots where couples can enjoy each other's company, away from the hustle and bustle. Imagine cozying up in a quaint cabin, surrounded by the beautiful hues of fall, where the air is crisp and the season paints a vibrant canvas of reds, oranges, and yellows. It's a scene straight out of a romantic novel. But the Blue Ridge Parkway is not just about quiet moments. It's also about shared adventures. Hiking trails beckon couples to explore the wild, while picnic spots provide perfect settings for intimate meals. And as night falls, the star-studded sky invites couples for an evening of stargazing. The Blue Ridge Parkway offers couples a chance to reconnect with nature and each other. No road trip list would be complete without the iconic Route 66. Spanning from Chicago to Santa Monica, this historic highway, often referred to as the Main Street of America, is a testament to the country's love affair with the open road. It's the perfect setting for a romantic road trip, brimming with nostalgic attractions, quaint diners, and breathtaking landscapes. Here, couples can step back into a simpler time, visit historical sites that tell tales of a bygone era, or perhaps take a moment to soak in the beauty of the painted desert and petrified forest. Along the route, you'll find a myriad of classic American diners, where you can share a milkshake or savor a slice of homemade apple pie. But it's not just about the sights, it's also about seizing those picture-perfect moments. Pose in front of vintage gas stations, neon-lit motels, or with the iconic Route 66 signs. Yes, Route 66 is indeed a journey through time that couples are sure to enjoy. For those seeking a tropical getaway, the Florida Keys is a perfect choice. This string of islands offers a unique blend of tropical beauty and laid-back charm that's hard to resist. Picture palm-fringed beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a stunning sunset painting the sky with hues of pink, orange, and purple. The Keys are home to luxurious beachfront resorts where couples can enjoy some alone time, basking in the warmth of the sun or strolling hand-in-hand along the sandy shores. Imagine dining under the stars, savoring the fresh local seafood, and sipping on a glass of chilled wine. The allure of the Florida Keys goes beyond the beaches. From snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs to embarking on romantic sunset cruises, there's a world of adventure waiting to be explored. Let's not forget the stunning drive over the 7-mile bridge, with the ocean stretching endlessly on both sides. The Florida Keys offer a tropical paradise that's perfect for lovebirds. Last but not least, we have the Great River Road in Mississippi. This iconic route is a testament to the timeless allure of the mighty Mississippi River. The road winds its way along the river, offering breathtaking riverside views that change with every twist and turn. The romance of the Great River Road is not just about the scenic vistas, it's about the charming towns that dot the route, each with its own unique character and history. Imagine strolling through these quaint towns hand in hand, exploring local shops and sampling regional delicacies. The Great River Road also takes you on a journey through time. It's lined with historic landmarks from antebellum mansions to Civil War sites, offering a glimpse into the past that's both fascinating and poignant. And for couples who love the water, river cruises are a must. Imagine the two of you drifting along the Mississippi as the sun sets and the stars come out. The Great River Road is a charming escape that promises a memorable experience. And there you have it, some of the most romantic road trip destinations in the USA. Each one of these journeys offers a unique blend of beauty, adventure, and romance, perfect for creating lasting memories with your special someone. Let's take a moment to reminisce. The Pacific Coast Highway in California, with its breathtaking coastal views, is a dream come true for any couple. The Blue Ridge Parkway in Virginia, on the other hand, is a haven for nature lovers, offering lush forests and awe-inspiring mountain vistas. No road trip list would be complete without mentioning the iconic Route 66. It's a trip down memory lane filled with nostalgia and Americana. And then we have the sun-soaked Florida Keys, where the turquoise waters and sandy beaches set the stage for a tropical paradise. Last but certainly not least, the Great River Road in Mississippi offers a unique blend of culture, history, and scenic beauty. It's a journey along the mighty Mississippi that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Each of these destinations has its own charm and allure, making them perfect for a romantic getaway. So, pack your bags, hop in the car, and embark on an unforgettable adventure with your loved one. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel adventures. Until next time, safe travels.